Hello, Assalamu alaikum. So today I'm going to be unboxing my new iPad Pro alongside the keypad, and obviously we cannot forget the Apple Pencil. So why don't we just get started? First of all, we have our iPad Pro. It's very magnificent. So let's get the top off. Okay. And now with this little flap here, we just pull it up. And now for the satisfying parts of this video. Okay, so now we have our iPad out. Now, let's see what other parts of the box are. Here we have the instructions so that we can set the iPad up. So, here are the instructions of how to set it up, as I said. And this is the pin for the charger. And obviously we can't forget the wire of the charger. So that's all there is in the parts of the iPad itself. So let's move on to the cover, people. Now that we have our keyboard, also known as the Apple Magic Keyboard, let's open it up. So first we take off this amazing plastic peel very gently so that we don't break anything and also get good feels. Now we put it down and let's open this part together. Okay, so as you can see, this also has pretty similar thing to the iPad, how we got it out. Now if we put this aside, we can open this thing up from its stapler kind of thing. Now we put it down. Now let's open it. Let's see. Okay, so I'm guessing that this is where you put the iPad. So this is what it looks like, and I'm assuming that this is where we put the iPad. And if we take this off, I think this is also instructions maybe. Now we have the Magic Keyboard. It has a touchpad and it has some keys. So I think I should put on the iPad and then we'll move on to the Apple Pencil. So let's get our iPad. I think I might need some help with this part because I'm not an expert on this. So, well, what do you know? I did it. So now I can show you what it looks like. So it looks like this right now. I haven't started the iPad yet, so that's why I can't turn it on right now. We'll do that later. So for now we'll put this whole thing aside, or we'll just close it up right now actually. So, and we'll put it here. Now we are moving on to our final part, the Apple Pencil. So again, we open up the ultra satisfying plastic thing. So let's come along with it. That's done. And now, oh, and fun fact, did you know that the Apple Pencil is magnetic to the iPad? Well, if you didn't, now I'm telling you. So now you know. Okay. And these are, I think, also instructions. A whole bunch of instructions. And here we have the main of events, the Apple Pencil itself. Let's get it out. So this is what it looks like. It's white and it has this Apple logo on the side, if you can see. So now let me show you how it's magnetic to the iPad. So if I just open this up first, like this, and then it should be like a magnet to the top. So it's magnetic. I think it's a magnet on the iPad. Yeah, it's a magnet on the iPad. So yeah, that was the unboxing of all these 3 items. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and watch more interesting videos. Till then, bye-bye. Woo, I'm so excited to try this thing out. Bye. See you next time.